Hi, boys and girls. So today we are going to do a science lesson, and the name of the lesson is How Does the Sky Seem to Change? This is one of the most interesting lesson. You would learn many new things from this lesson. So let's get started. Let's read Engage Your Brain box. Why does the sun seem to move across the sky? Do you feel that sun and the moon is moving, especially when you see when you're in the car and when you see that even moon is following you, right? When you're in the car, have you noticed that? Same thing happens to the sun. In the morning, it rises from the east, and the evening it goes to the west. So is the sun moving or is the moon moving? No. It's the earth who is taking turns, who is rotating. It's the earth. So earth turns. We are going to write over here turns. And in this lesson, we are going to learn two new vocabulary words, shadow and phases. I will teach you what is shadow and what is phases. So let's get started. So, shadow. The sun is the brightest object in the daytime sky. It warms Earth's land, air, and water. The sun seems to move across the sky, but the sun is not moving. It is really Earth that is moving. Each day, Earth turns all the way around. Light from the sun makes shadows. A shadow is a dark place. Please underline it. A shadow is a dark place. A shadow is a dark place where an object blocks the light. Shadows. So a shadow is a dark place made where an object blocks the light. Shadows change as Earth moves. The sun's light shines on the objects from different directions as the day goes on. Shadows change in size during the day. They change position too. So first, let me tell you all what is shadow. A shadow is a dark place. Can you see? It's a dark place where an object blocks the light. This is an object. Anything which is blocking the light, any object means things. Like it can be ball, it can be anything that blocks the light is will make a shadow, will make a dark place, and that dark place is called shadow. So when the sun is coming, now from here, the sun is coming. Let's talk about first morning. In morning, the sun is coming from the east over here. So when the shadow comes here, when the light comes to the girl, the shadow comes to the west. So let me explain it again to you. This is the sun towards the east. The sun is towards the east, and when the sunlight comes to the girl, the shadow comes towards the west. So in the morning, the shadow is towards the west, and the shadow is long, So in the morning time, the shadow is long and towards the west. West means left hand side. Now, in the noon, the sun is on top. In the noon, the sun is on top. So when the light comes, the shadow is in front. Noon time is between 12 to 1. So the shadow is in front and it is short. That's noon time. Now afternoon time. Afternoon time is between 3 to 4:30. 4:30 p.m. 3 p.m. to 4:30 p.m. Now over here, the sun is towards the west. This is where the sun is, and the light is coming on top. So when the light comes over here to the girl is blocking the light. So the shadow comes towards the east, that is towards the right. The shadow comes towards the right. And even over here, the shadow is long, but it is towards the east. Over here, the shadow in the morning, it is long, but it is towards the west. In the noon, it is in front and it is shortest. It is not long, it is short. I hope this is clear. I made it very easy. Now let's read this box. At what time of the day is the girl's shadow the shortest? What time the shadow is shortest? It's the noon time. During the noon time, the shadow is the shortest. So please write noon over here. Just a phase. Now it is night. You may see stars. You may see the moon. The moon is a huge ball of rock. It does not give off its own light. The moon reflects light from the sun. The moon moves across the sky. Its shape seems to change. The phases or shapes you see change as the moon moves. The changes follow repeating pattern. It lasts about a month. So boys and girls, we are going to learn about phase. Phase is nothing but change of shape of the moon. And in 1 month, moon starts from new moon and then it goes up to full moon. So new moon is also a crescent moon, a small. Have you ever seen the normal moon which we always see, the crescent moon? I'm gonna draw and show you like this. It's like this. Sometimes it's much more thinner till here. So that is also called new moon. This is also called new moon. This is first quarter. This is full moon, and this is third quarter. So today, let's read the box. Today there is a full moon. Write what the moon's phase will be in about a month. So today it is full moon. This is the full moon. In 1 month, what it will be? It will be new moon. So let's write new moon. Cloudy day, starry night. You can see stars in the nighttime sky. Stars give off light. You see different stars in each season. You can see clouds in both daytime and nighttime sky. Clouds are always changing shape. So, we see stars different in different seasons. In winter season, we may see them as light and really, really light and something like they don't shine bright. But during the summer season, they are bright and they shine also really bright. And they're dark. They are over here. It is in winter. It is whitish. Over here, it is dark blue. Now, even the clouds are never same. They are different. In sunny day, it is white color, fluffy, thin. But during the cloudy days, the rainy days, it is gray color, and it is sometimes it looks very thick. And yeah, so clouds and stars both look different in different seasons. Cloud you see both in daytime and nighttime, but stars you don't see in daytime. You only see them in nighttime. Draw a cloud that might bring rain. So you have to draw a cloud that might bring rain means you need to color it gray color. Don't color it blue color it gray color. Draw a cloud and then color it this way, gray color. Okay? Do the exercise together. First, write the word to solve the riddle. Let's read the riddle. I am fluffy or thin. I am white or gray. I come out on some days and then go away. I am a fluffy. What is fluffy? It is cloud. So let's write cloud. Number 2. Draw the boy's shadow in the morning. Okay, so in the morning, the shadow is long and it is towards the west. So that's it. Cross out the picture of the full moon. Put a box across around the picture of the new moon. So we are going to cross out the full moon. That's full moon. And we are going to make a box around the new moon. That's new moon. Okay. Label each picture with a word from the box. Match the word to its meaning. Let me read the box. Sun, phases, shadow. So we have to write the name. Let's name the picture first. That's phases. And that's shadow. Shadow. And this is sun. Now let's read this. Dark places made where an object blocks light. It is shadow. Shadow makes the dark places. Shapes you see of the moon. That's phases. Brightest object in the daytime sky. That's sky. Okay, write the words that tell more about each column. Each word may be used more than once. So we are going to write the words daytime sky. What do you see in daytime sky? Always remember there are two things common in daytime, and that is moon and the other one is cloud. You will always see these two things in both the sky, daytime and nighttime, okay? So over here we are going to write cloud. And what else do you see in daytime? You see sun. So let's write sun. Okay. Now nighttime, again remember, you have to copy this. I mean, you have to write the same thing in nighttime because moon and clouds are common, both in nighttime and daytime. So we are going to write moon and cloud over here. What else do you see in nighttime? You see stars. You see stars in nighttime. So let's write stars. Then what else? Who gives off its own light? Does moon give off its own light? No, it is the sun and the stars. These two give off their own lights. Moves or seems to move. All the four things you feel either moves or we feel that it is moving. Okay, so actually it is the moon who moves the most. So moon, even you would have seen clouds moving in the sky. So let's put cloud. Then we have sun. We feel like sun is moving, but sun is not moving. Earth is moving. That's why the sun, we feel that it's moving. Sometimes we feel stars also moving along with us. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this was helpful. See you all. Bye bye.